Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't ever been here before, my name is Migs. I do customizations, reviews, and unboxings. I know it's been a while guys. As you can see, beard's growing in mighty thick. But today we got a custom. We're going to be doing a dip dye that's been trending. What?
That's okay.
What?
We're good.
What?
We're good,
What?
babe. Thank you, baby. Hey guys, what's up? I'm not Migs, but I am Sin actually, and I'm actually gonna take over really quick because we're dip dyeing my shoes, so I should definitely be in the actual video, right? Like he mentioned, we are gonna be doing a dip dye on the shoe. I don't know if you guys have seen it on Instagram or TikTok where they just kind of dip the entire shoe in one solid color, or they do tie-dye colors, but we're gonna do a solid color today. And yeah, follow along. I'm gonna clean the shoe first and then we're gonna dye. See you in a bit.
Scrub this and get it nice and lather. Once it's lathered, you have to put this one just a little bit more intense, so you get in there with it. And then we start the bottom. Start with this one.
All right, we're back. We're ready to clean, and you guys are in for a treat because I've taught him everything he knows. All right, so we got our shoe. We're gonna be cleaning. We're obviously gonna take the laces off first, but I do want to show you guys what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using 3 different brushes. We got this guy here. It's kind of a little bit of a medium coarse hair, if that makes sense. And then we got this guy here, much softer of a brush to get the suds going. And then this one is going to be for the outsole. Very, very stiff brush. And then we're going to be using some of the Angela's cleaner. And yeah, so let's do this. Here we go.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
There's plenty of soap. Plenty.
So when stains show up on your custom, pro tip number 1, use acetone or leather deglazer with a small Q-tip to remove the stain.
So here is the finished shoe. I really like how they came out. We ended up using the emerald green dye. We'll put all the information down below, but we used emerald green and we did splash a bit of yellow to enhance some of the green a bit, but I think they came out really good. The laces we didn't keep in there as much. I want to say we left them in the dye for about 30 minutes, 25-30 minutes, just so that it could really take. And then this here, the bottom, the sole, I did not think that this was going to turn blue, but this was a nice surprise. And yeah, I just really love all the layers, all the different colors and tones that the green added to the different materials, and I'm really happy with it. I might, though, I know I just said I'm happy with it, but I might take it a little bit darker of a green, slightly, but other than that, I think they came out really good. Real close to action here. But yeah, let us know what you guys think. Let us know if you're gonna attempt it. If you do, definitely tag this account, tag Migs on socials, Instagram, all of that's gonna be left down below. And let us know what you think about the custom, the dye. Like, comment, subscribe, all of that fun stuff, and suggestions on things you might want to see later. You can leave that for him. But yeah, thanks for having me. I will now give the channel back to its rightful owner. Bye guys.